Imagine you were born in 1852. Then I'm sure you would not have pursued biotechnology, right? The same way, if Carl Linnaeus, the father of taxonomy, was born in 2022, he would have become a computational biologist. Yes, such is the power of computers today. Or maybe he would have been in the IT industry. I cannot predict that. But yes, Carl Linnaeus, the famous father of taxonomy, would have been a computational biologist because taxonomy itself is so complicated, so vast, so much data driven, isn't it? So I want to start today's video with this thought that computational biology is going to be the future of biology. It's just like bioinformatics and CRISPR. Computational biology is all about data. It's all about adapting biology to computers. Now, let's take a pause and think. Why do we need to adapt biology to computers? The answer is very, very simple, my dear friend. And that is, biology is a vast and complicated subject. Just imagine when there was no Google Maps, right? And you had to, go from one place to other. You had to ask 100 people, okay, iska rasta kidhar se hai bhaiya? Right? You're sitting in an auto rickshaw and you're asking everybody, Biotecnika pahunchna hai, kaise pahunchoge? So when Google Maps came in, it became easier. Now what exactly it is Google Maps? It's software, right? The same way. Our biology, now map is what? Map used to be a very physical thing, right? We used to have hard copy maps. They used to sell on the bus stand, right? The same way biology is a very, non-analytical subject, we can say. But when we actually put it across into a computer and try to adapt it, we realize that biology is nothing but a mix of mathematics and chemistry. It has lot of data points. And, hum aap biologists isliye to bane nahi the. We didn't become a biologist just because we wanted to, teach biology. We wanted to research in biology. We want to do new things in biology, right? We want to become the Christopher Columbus of biology. So if that has to happen, this is the tool of the future which will change your life, which is going to change the direction of biology. Yes, another thing is synthetic biology. I'll come to that later, but right now, let's talk about the computational biology. So adapting biology to computers, why? Because biology has got a lot of data points. Let's talk about all the data points. When you go for a blood test, right, you see all the blood report. So everything is numbers, right? Okay. If it is in this range, you're normal. Otherwise, it's abnormal. Okay, your thyroid is increased, so you're abnormal, right? So this is what happens, right? So what is biology? It's all about numbers again, right? But the sad part is it's so complicated set of numbers that we really struggle at times, and especially the research people, especially the people. Now, when I talk about research, let me ask you a question. Can you do your research without data? Can you do your research without data? The answer is no. You need data. You need data to prove your thesis. You need data to prove and defend your PhD. You need data to publish even a paper. You need data for anything you do during your PhD or any kind of research which you do in biology, right? So statistics and data analysis is a very crucial part of your research work. सबसे important चीज है. It's very, very important because scientists will not accept your thesis unless it is backed by solid data. In fact, you will not believe whatever I'm saying today about computational biology unless I have some solid data to prove, right? So which I'm going to show you, obviously. But yes, for now, the question is, can you do research without data? No, you cannot. Statistics and data analysis is an integral part. Now, let's look at the next part. Okay, when you analyze patterns, okay, suppose you got data set of 10 points, okay, then you look at the patterns and the correlation. That's how you conclude your research. That's how you accelerate your research. That's how you progress in your research, right? So, अगर आपको research करना है, कहीं भी जाओ, whether you qualify CSIR, NET, GATE, whatever, after that you have data, right? So all that data, all that is pattern, all that is correlation. Suppose you are doing research on cancer. So cancer biology. Okay, you are injecting some, you're doing some therapy to the cancer cells and observing the reaction, the therapy has any effect or not. So what's that? Some cells will have effect, some cells won't have the effect. So that's what it is. Now suppose you're doing research on diabetes. So you will take some cells of the pancreas and you are testing the therapy, right? So again, some cells will have impact, some cells won't have. So all that is what? Data. Right. Suppose you're doing research on botany, so some plant seeds are becoming plants, others are not. So what is that? Data. So all that, whether you go from agriculture to marine biology, whether you go from cancer biology to HIV/AIDS, wherever you go, boss, you need data. Without data, you cannot progress in your research. You cannot defend your research. Nobody will believe your research without data. Okay, fine. So now, once you have the data, you have to find the patterns and correlations. Okay. So if it is like, okay, 10, 15, you can always do. What if you have millions of data sets? What if you tested on millions of cancer cells? How would you find? So you need something, some tool to find that out for you. And what better than computers can do that? Computers has put the man on the moon, and right now it is sitting in your pocket helping you watch this video. Right? Helping you not just educate you, it's helping you in a lot of research work, right? The moment you need something, you Google it out, right? So what's that? Research. Now, computers are better in analyzing data. Can we accept this fact? Please type in the comment section if you disagree. Computers are better in analyzing data any day than humans, because we cannot do repetitive tasks. We get bored, right? We are emotional. Humans are emotional beings. We cannot do repetitive tasks at one go for millions of data sets. So obviously that is why हमने computer बनाया. Correct. We made computers to become our servants. So of course they should help us. Now, as a biologist, we always do not rely on computers. We rely on our hands or calculator or whatever. But computers are much more equipped today than 10 years ago for analyzing any kind of data, right? Now, it helps you by giving you an atlas of life. Now, why do I say atlas of life or not a Google Maps of life? Remember Christopher Columbus? He wanted to go for India and he reached America, right? But of course, his map was not perfect, but he did find something. When you use computational biology, and when you combine the large data collections with some databases and statistics, the computational biology provides you a reference point. It gives you a reference map, kind of an atlas, which will definitely help you find some valuable insights from your data sets. But if you try to do it manually, impossible is the word. You cannot find. So it basically gives you an atlas of life. Next, it helps you test your ideas faster. So quantitative computational approach is needed to turn your fuzzy idea. Suppose you have an idea that, okay, if I give this particular drug to this particular cell, it will have an impact or not. So you can do it in a virtual environment using computers and convert your fuzzy idea into a testable hypothesis. You can find it out in the shortest possible time without wasting time. Isn't that amazing? For example, if thousands of you come to me and ask me each time to repeat whatever I'm saying, it's impossible. But if I make a video, thousands of you will learn from it. It's the same way. So computers can do thousands and thousands and millions of data sets they can process and give you results. Now, computational biology excels at distilling huge amounts of complicated data sets, complex data into something testable in the wet lab. So what happens is, okay, out of millions of data sets which you have, it will give you, okay, this one you should try because this one will work. So only that you will try in the wet lab, and then you will save on time, and it will help you direct your experimental follow-up. It will help you save on the funds. It will help you save on the time. It will accelerate your research work. So that's about the computational biology. And that is why, now, that is the reason to help you, to empower you, to accelerate your research, Biotecnika proudly presents to you, ladies and gentlemen, Computational Biology Internship. It's a 14 days live online internship with hands-on training on various softwares by one of our bestest experts. Computational Biology Internship is coming right to you through Biotecnikas platform, and we are so proud about this because this has been one of my dreams to deliver world-class approach, world-class tools to all of you. And finally, our dream is coming true. Computational Biology Internship is right here. Your internship guide is going to be Dr. Farhan Zamir, holds 4 patents with 2 postdoctorate projects done with PhD in pathogenomics from University of Mysore, 22 plus years of experience in teaching and research, and he has worked with the best test researchers of the world, and he is going to come to you live to train you for this internship. He has 2 postdocs for pathoimmunology from University of South Carolina and pathogenomics from JSS University, Mysore. So he's going to be your internship guide. He's going to take you through this entire journey, and he's going to teach you what? He's going to teach you integrative biology. He's going to teach you and help you learn and experiment on decoding the bio-macromolecules. He'll make you understand the algorithms which is used in computing with hands-on models, coding and logics, and of course, big data analytics and their applications, real-world applications and assignments. So all these 5 modules will be captured in the Computational Biology Internship. But there's more. Additionally, we'll give you practice assignments for a better understanding. More assignments will be there for you in these 14 days. Hands-on experience will be given on various computational biology and bioinformatics tools, and an opportunity to take up the advanced course in computational biology when we launch it in the future. So right now, this is not a very advanced course. If you are a beginner, you can still take it. If you are an advanced user, you should wait. You can still take it as a revision course or a refresher course. So now this internship is going to be live from 6th of June, okay? And we are giving away this internship free with the Josh batch. The actual internship fee is $13,990 including GST for a 14 days internship at Biotecnika. You'll be provided with hard copy certificate as well. But this is free of cost to all the students who are joining our Josh batch, which starts 6th of June 2022. So what best it can be? You join our Josh batch, prepare for CSANET, prepare for GATE, prepare for your CSANET of next year, and then in the middle of this, you do the internship as well. So isn't that a win-win situation? Yes, it is. So, and it comes all the, free of cost to all of you. Now, some students who wish to only enroll for our computational biology internship, the link is given in the description. You can apply. The application form is given below. You can apply for a scholarship. You can get up to 100% scholarship if you are a talented person. So you'll have to attach your CV, you'll have to attach your mark sheet and the forwarding letter below in the link. And if you're selected, our team will contact you. Up to 50%, up to 100% scholarship will be provided to you. Whatever is your eligibility based on your marks, based on your CV will be informed to you via a call and an email from our side. So that's all about the computational biology internship, guys. This is a great opportunity for all of you. Expert himself has told me this in person that students who join this are not going to regret. This is going to be a transformative, life-changing experience for all of you. So what are you waiting for? Join Josh Batch, get this for free. If you don't want to join Josh Batch, you can directly apply. The internship fee is written over there. But if you want a scholarship, you can always get that as well by filling the application form. So this is all about the computational biology internship, guys. I'll see you in the next video. In the meanwhile, keep yourself hydrated with motivation. Keep yourself hydrated with concepts, because that's the strategy for your success in this competitive world. Thank you so much for watching this video. It was a pleasure interacting with you once again. Thank you. Take care. Bye-bye.